Hello, Nigerians. Good morning. I wish to say compliment of this season to our Christian brothers and sisters. I wish you, on behalf of my entire houses, a Merry Christmas. I am here to express my sadness, sorrow, and anxiety about what is happening currently in Nigeria, particularly in one of the most largest and also the most populated region part of the country, that is northwest, which comprise Katsina, Kaduna, Sokoto, Kebbi, Zamfara, and Jigawa, and also some part of the north central, particularly Niger State. These above mentioned areas suffered for long period of time, right from the emergence of Danfodio fake jihad, which lead to the killing of the real Hausas scholars, the real Hausa prominent and business people. Our king have been killed and inherit the palace to their Fulanis brother and change it to emir and emirate, which simply means a place that is being captured. The Hausas are being colonized by Fulani ignorantly, killing their grand descendant so that the Hausa history could be lost. So the real killing is now. Fulani are killing, kidnapping, destroying the real Hausas and taking over their land, thinking that there is nothing like Hausa tribe. The Hausa language is a lingua Africa. That is how the Fulani describe Hausa as a language, because they, they have embedded anything belong to the Hausas. They are now fighting for the language because the Fulanis don't have anything on their own. I am here to affirm. I am here on behalf of all Hausas to affirm that there is nothing like Hausa Fulani. We are not one, and we will never be one. Hausa Fulani is the most decisive word used by Fulani to capture Hausas, particularly during election. The Hausas are one of the most peaceful coexistence tribe in Nigeria, managing their own small-scale businesses all over the country. They can't even kill and talk less of human being. The current terrorism is executed by Fulani, the most heartless tribe in Nigeria. Their emirs are silent, their scholars are silent, their leaders are silent, and silent simply means yes, you are okay. Once somebody is doing something wrong and you are capable to stop him and you do not stop him, that simply means you are ordering him to do. So the Fulani's agenda is to take over Hausa land. I want Nigerians to know Hausa and Fulani no be one. They never be one. They are using that word to capture our land. I am praying for the best to Hausa people. May God unite all Hausa people. May God protect Hausa people anywhere they are. May God also protect all Nigerians. May Almighty God help us in pursuing the foreigners who are terrorizing our country. May Almighty God help us to pursue them outside our country because they were not in danger of this country. That is why they doesn't care what is happens. Let it happen. They have other country, and we don't have any country apart from this Nigeria. We are praying for the best for all Nigerians. Thank you all.